Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Safari browser. Once you're there, just search for google.com. Then tap on your profile on the top right corner. And here you will see search history, so simply tap on that. Once you're there, you will now see an option that says delete right here. And when you tap on that, you could pick from several date type or date range. So you could delete it today, delete custom range, delete all time, and auto delete. You'd set it up just by tapping on it. And when you tap on this one on the top, you can set it for 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. If you don't want to set it, just tap on the button below and just go back. And if you want to delete all time, just tap on delete, then tap on delete all time, and tap on next, delete, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.